This is a day that's been years in the making. One that I've really been looking forward to. I believe that augmented reality is a profound technology. Blending digital content with the real world can unlock experiences like nothing we've ever seen.
Hi, my name is Farooq, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey Farooq, is that the brand new Apple Vision Pro with M5 chip in it? Well, yes it is. Did they do anything regarding the weight? Yes, they did. This Vision Pro is now up to 200 grams heavier. And I actually kinda like that. And here it is! Apple Vision Pro with M5 chip comes in this very nicely designed box. Inside the box, we're greeted with Apple Vision Pro. By the way, I just want to say whoever designed this box, they did an incredible job. The unboxing experience of this product is really something else. But now let's put Apple Vision Pro to the side and see what else is in the box. A booklet about Apple Vision Pro, some papers, a polishing cloth, additional light seal cushion, battery, 1.5 meter USB-C charge cable, 40 watt dynamic power adapter with 60 watt max output. M5 Vision Pro itself is identical to M2 Vision Pro. However, this time Apple Vision Pro comes with this dual knit band. And if you're like me and love the solo knit band, dual knit band is not here to replace the solo knit band. But you can only buy solo knit bands separately now. M5 Vision Pro only comes with dual knit band and no dual loop band or solo knit band is included. This Apple Vision Pro has the M5 chip in it, and the first generation had the M2 chip in it. The M2 in Vision Pro was, especially with Vision OS 26, it was kind of showing that, you know, we're getting there, we're struggling a little bit. You would start hearing the fans and stuff like that. But this is fantastic. This really makes Apple Vision Pro work perfectly. There were a lot of things that were not good enough in the previous generation. For example, if you turn it on for the first time, you put it on, it would take some time to, for some reason, connect to the Wi-Fi. Maybe it was just mine. And if you have widgets, things that you stick to the wall and things like that, that would take some time to show. With this, everything works great. And it is a lot snappier, it is a lot quicker, and it works a lot cooler. And I think Vision Pro, at least with this design, finally reached its potential. This headband, as you can see, has two sections now, and it is a lot more comfortable, it is a lot more balanced, and it is the only reason why the new Apple Vision Pro is heavier. The dual knit band is designed to be heavy to bring balance, and it actually works. Vision Pro M5 and M2 are still the same weight. So if you're like me and you love the solo band or the dual loop band, nothing will change for you. This dual knit is really good, especially while I was playing the Pickle Pro game. This thing was fantastic. The Vision Pro sits on your face really nicely. But I personally love the solo knit, because the solo knit, especially, there's this balance. When you find the balance, that just sits on your face so nicely, and there's nothing behind your head. You can lay down. I do a lot of neck time on the floor, so I can get rid of the text neck. And with that, it's a lot comfortable. This is a little thick here, so when you're laying your head, you feel this a lot more compared to the solo knit. Solo knit is a lot softer. It doesn't have, you know, any thickness to it. And with this, now you can get the Vision Pro hair that you've been dying to get. But let me show you something. So you put this on, right? And it sits on your face like this. With this dial here, if it's pushed down, you adjust the tension of this side, this back side. And if you pull it out, you adjust the tension of the top. I love Vision Pro and I live in it. It is fantastic. There's so much that I love about Vision Pro. But my wife, as soon as she puts it on, not only she was uncomfortable, the Vision Pro was hurting her. We tried the dual loop band. I got her a different solo knit. None of it worked. She had to hold the Vision Pro up. With this one, she's extremely comfortable. And for the first time, and I've been waiting for this for a really long time, she completely enjoyed the immersive stuff. She completely enjoyed the environments. Everything finally showed its potential to my wife. And I've been waiting so long because this thing to me is incredible. Now Vision Pro supports 120 Hertz. The first generation was supporting up to 100 Hertz. And 120 Hertz, of course, makes things a little more smoother and nicer. And with the power of M5, I don't know which is helping which, but everything looks, when you're going between the apps and things like that, it works great. And because of this, now it renders 10% more pixels directly where you're looking. And this actually works really well, especially if you're using the virtual desktop. It appears a lot more sharper, so it makes it a lot easier to have your windows flying around. All right, so these are the widgets. They're stuck to the wall, and this is like a panoramic picture that I can look. And then this is my playlist, and if I tap on it, it will start playing. I can stop it. I can, of course, tap on it with my, while looking at it as well. And then my notes. Seems like I remember to breathe. I can select that. Drink water. That's good. And then working on an F5 MacBook Pro video. Yes. And I can see my batteries. I can see the clocks. And these are, as you can see, they're stuck to the wall and they work really nicely. Because it's a lot more efficient, the battery life went from 2.5 hours to 3 hours when it comes to watching videos. That is nice, but I didn't have enough time to test this and tell you. But so far it's looking fine. So far it's looking like the battery life is a little better than the previous generation. And if it does feel heavy on the first one, I can guarantee you on the third one, the third time you're wearing this, you're not gonna feel it. To me, right now, and I'm not exaggerating this feels like sunglasses. I don't even care about it. This is what happens. Like whatever muscle that it needs to work to hold this up, you never use those muscles. It's like Matrix. They work and then you're good. So yeah, on the first way, it may feel a little different, but then it just goes away. I get asked this a lot. What do you do in Vision Pro? So I like to take this opportunity to talk about that. Whatever you're doing on your iPad, whatever you're doing on your phone, whatever you're doing on your laptop, you're doing in Vision Pro. Vision Pro is something you control with your eyes, and I cannot describe it to you. It is incredible device. The mindfulness app is one of my favorite apps, and when I was feeling bad, when I had trouble in my life, that was something that made me escape and relax. The environments are fantastic. It just gives you, when I'm stuck in this house and I cannot leave, I have to work, I can be outside using this thing. Yes, I know it's virtual and all, I am with you, but it does help. It is really difficult to explain what Vision Pro does on a video. Immersive videos are incredible. You're just there. There's this main video they released lately, and it is fantastic. There's a Metallica video that you feel like you're there, and you gotta watch it yourself. You can go to an Apple store and get a demo, which you should, because I can't describe it like this. But maybe if I tell you that the first Vision Pro, I bought it with my own money, and there wasn't a single day from the moment I put that thing on, and it showed me the Apple logo while it was launching, and I saw how sharp and incredible that image was. From that moment on, I never felt like I wasted my money. So that's it. That's the M5 Vision Pro. But what I'm curious is, what do you think about Vision Pro? Is this something you've been interested in? Are you obsessed with Vision Pro like me? If you are, we need to become friends. Come find me. We need to FaceTime together. We need to talk about Vision Pro. That's it. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.